So I'm making this video ahead of the timeline. It's after I finished everything in my car. But I realized that I skipped this essential part of the video. So once you have your amplifier mounted onto there, the last video I showed was me mounting the distribution blocks and the amplifiers on the thing. And it's really bright in this section here. I just wanted to show how to attach it, how I attached it to my car. If you get in here, pretty much just drilled a hole, got a bolt that's probably 3 inches long, and I also drilled a hole in my frame. Well, not in my frame, in a little subframe type of thing. And I had to feed that through the back and then through there, through the carpet as well. Originally I drilled the hole here and realized it was in the wrong space, so I drilled it there, which kind of irritates me, but you know, what are you gonna do? Then I also did it, I also drilled a hole there. I realized it was not gonna work, so I said fuck it. So we really only have one bolt secured on by this nut right here, which so far has been holding this thing in place. I'm thinking about possibly throwing up some zip ties in there. I'm just gonna probably attach this to something back there if I feel that's necessary. But you know, this hasn't really moved around a whole lot, so I think we're good.